My lord, I beg to mention one bail application number 11 of 25. This matter may be listed tomorrow because there are some certain correction to be made.
Item number 1.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a subsequent bail application filed under section 483. Lordship, the accused was arrested on dated 22nd June, now following 88 days in the remand of judicial custody. The nature of the section 303 clause 2 theft, which is non-compoundable in nature, as the value of the property is 303 clause 2 BNS.
What is that?
Theft, Lordship.
Okay.
It is non-compoundable in nature, as the value of the property is more than
So
5,000.
register 379 IPC 22.
Yes, Lord. Lordship, here is the case. On July 28, 2025, the charge sheet has been submitted and the accused has completed the mandatory period. But thereby, Lordship, the applicant had filed one bail application before learned JAM FC, but the same has been rejected under the ground that in the manner in which the accused had apprehended before the arrest. And the another ground was that there is a strong prima facie case against the accused. But in the order, Lordship, the learned JAM FC had not mentioned under which provision there is a strong prima facie case, and also the
Now,
the
how
manner
many days you said?
88 days, Lordship.
88 days.
Even the matter is fixed for CC December 12, but also the bail was rejected.
Punishment? What section you say?
303, Lordship, punishment
Where is 303? Where?
Lordship, I have a
This
scan
was registered under IPC only prior to the.
303 close. Lordship, I have a scan copy of charge
Where
sheet.
have you written? Where have you written? Where in your petition?
There in the
Hmm?
in the first page itself, it's there, Lordship.
First page.
Yes. Lordship, I have a scan copy of accused copy of charge sheet.
No, which paragraph?
First page.
Kindly read.
Yes.
Kindly read. Where?
Here, Lordship, bail application is filed under section 483, praying for granting a subsequent bail to the accused person in connection with ITA PS 160/24 under section 303.
Paragraph?
Lordship, the first page.
First page.
Yes. After the index.
Subtitle. Oh, sorry. The course title.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Section is 303 clause 2 only. Imprisonment is less than 3 years.
Page number 1.
Yes, Lordship, page number 1.
Section is
03.
Are we in the same item?
This is item number 1.
Item 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, Lordship, I'll make it short. Lordship, on August 18, the applicant had filed one bail application, which was rejected on the ground that in the manner in which the accused had apprehended.
Just a minute. He was arrested on
22nd June.
22nd June. Where have you stated?
In the first page, page number 1.
Page 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. The section is corresponding section is 303 BNS. Corresponding section is 379. Or what?
Now, only one section is, Lordship, 303 clause 2.
Yes, what is 379, Lordship? What is the punishment maximum?
Lordship, this is an first offense. Therefore, the imprisonment is not more than 3 years, with or without fine. The offense is not heinous, Lordship.
Three zero three. Is there any subclause?
Clause 2.
Clause two.
Yes, Lord. Is Lordship compoundable? Clause 2 is non compoundable because the value of the property is more than 5,000 rupees.
Okay, your bail application was rejected. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Your bail application was rejected
On the ground that Lordship, there
when?
on 18th August, the first bail application was rejected on 18 August 2025.
Okay, he was arrested on
22nd June 2025.
bail rejected on
18 August. Thereby,
on the
Lordship,
ground.
on the ground that Lordship, that there is a strong prima facie case against the accused. But
Yes, there is.
yes, but in the order, the rejection order, Lordship, the provision was not mentioned under which provision there is a strong prima facie case.
What do you mean?
No, Lordship, in the order,
Under which provision according to you it should come?
is the
Prima
same.
facie case, because
Same, yes.
he had committed theft,
But
and
this
there is a
was,
prima facie case against because the vehicle was recovered from him, his possession.
vehicle was not recovered from him.
Whom?
No, Lordship, there is no direct evidence here.
What is the in the? then what-
Vehicle was not recovered from the accused, Lordship.
It was recovered from whom then?
Vehicle is no, Lordship, there is the name has not been mentioned in the FIR.
How can it be mentioned? Because
Yes,
you
sir.
did not tell when committing theft. I'm committing theft. This is my name. I'm taking it. You did not inform.
No, no.
It was not known. It was missing.
Yes, Lord.
Somebody committed theft. There later on only it was recovered from you.
Yes, Lord. That is the case.
Hmm.
Now, Lordship, my prayer is that that in the rejection order, it was written that in the manner in which the accused had apprehended before the arrest.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I agree. But now it doesn't matter because he has already been surrendered. Already 161 recorded. Already he has given the confession before the magistrate.
Okay.
Charge sheet has been filed.
Yes.
Mandatory period is over.
Yes.
And the date for CC is also fixed, Your Honor.
Okay. Now thereafter, have you filed any application?
Yes,
Because
Lordship. Again on 8th September, I filed another subsequent bail application before.
8 September.
Yes, Lord.
That was also rejected,
Yes, Lordship.
even after.
And
It's, by then, whether charge sheet filed,
yes, Lordship.
charge sheet
Was already
filed,
Yes.
okay, within stipulated. Okay, that was apprehended. Okay.
Now, Lordship, again,
So that means,
my humble
so
ground
they
is
said
that,
you are not praying for the release of the accused on the expiry of the statutory period. So charge sheet filed on time.
yes, Lordship.
Okay. Then in that case, there is a prima facie case against the accused. What is wrong in it?
No, Lordship.
He is likely to be convicted according to the court.
Lordship, I'm for the bail,
Yes.
for the bail application only.
Hmm.
Lordship. Now, there is one more accused, Lordship, on 15
His
September.
son.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
My another humble ground is the principle of parity. Lordship. He has been enlarged on bail.
Who has been enlarged on
There
the
are two accused in the
son
same
and
matter.
father?
Same matter. No, Lordship. There are two alleged accused in the same matter. Lordship.
Okay.
Yes. One on dated 15 September, the co-accused has been enlarged on bail.
Okay.
Now, Lordship,
Have you made a prayer, this prayer before the learned court?
no, the same court had given bail and rejected the other accused bail application.
Okay. Then you are the saying that you are the main accused.
Your Lordship, the main accused is yet to be known because trial is yet to come, Lordship. Therefore, Your Lordship, the date for CC has also been fixed. Now, I'm praying for the opportunity for the preparation of defense, Lordship. But also my bail application was rejected, Lordship.
See, the judicial magistrate has recorded that the manner in which or under circumstances which you were arrested and he apprehended, and that if released on bail, you will not appear for trial, face trial of the case. That is what is his apprehension, it appears. Because probably he must have tried to escape. That is what it is indicated. So he is the best person to understand or to decide whether the bail is to be granted to the accused or not, because he is the court where the accused will be tried.
Yes, Lordship.
Then how do we interfere?
I do not have objection on that, Lordship.
Hmm.
My only humble submission which I like to place before this honorable court is that, Lordship, the charge sheet has been filed. Now, the custody of the accused may not be required. That is my and the mandatory period.
Yes, but that does not mean
Yes, Lordship.
that he will not be kept inside.
Yes, Lordship.
Because if there is a prima facie case, the court must have found out.
Yes, Lordship.
Court must have observed that he is the person and he is likely to be convicted.
Lordship.
And if released on bail, since he is also not from the state of Arunachal Pradesh,
Yes, Lordship. The other
he will
accused,
abscond.
Lordship.
He will not appear for trial of the case.
No,
That
he
is
will,
why, that is what he has made observation.
the present address of the accused is Itanagar itself. He is like before the arrest, Lordship, he was working as a mechanic in Itanagar. He was
But
arrested.
thereafter he fled. After committing theft, he fled. That is why
Yes,
the
Lordship.
court has observed that the manner in which, under what circumstances he was arrested, and there is a prima facie case against you. So that is why your bail was rejected.
Yes, Lordship.
Apprehend that you will not cooperate, you will not appear for trial, and there is a prima facie case against
He
you.
will appear, Lordship, before he is ready to furnish any bail bond, and he will appear even if he's ready to produce a local surety.
They have faced this problem. After conviction in the trial court, what happened? After conviction
Yes, Lord.
and made a request before the trial court
Yes, Lordship.
that they will appear. Even the learned counsel undertakes that he will produce.
Ready
But
to-
then thereafter remain absconding.
Yes,
We have seen that That is why. And he has clearly made an observation that the manner under what circumstance he was apprehended
Yes, Lordship, the other
during.
humble ground is that the principle of parity, Lordship. The other accused is also not from the state.
May be different. It may be different. Fact and circumstances of the case and the persons, and of course, including, and he is from the other accused person is from.
Yes, from
He is also from Assam.
yes, Lordship.
And he surrendered himself, or he was arrested after chasing like the case in your case.
Lordship, this the present accused person in the bail application, he is not even the main accused, Lordship.
Who is the main accused according to you?
Who is already been enlarged on bail.
Where do we find that?
That is there in the charge sheet, Lordship.
That's it.
Yes, Lordship.
Have you annexed?
No, Lordship. It was only
Annexed. Okay. Where do we find from? Where do you come into conclusion that he is the main accused and you are not?
no. That is only Lordship. Okay, if required, Lordship, then LCR may be called upon. So that may be given.
Yes.
Since accused are already succeeded, this year may be called for. Lordship, with regard to his prayer for parity, Lordship, the co-accused was released only on held ground, Lordship.
Held ground.
Oh, yes, Lordship.
Different ground.
So he cannot claim parity, Lordship. But at this stage only, TCR may be called for, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Mr.
SNT.
Okay. SNT, Land Council for the petitioner. This bail application under section 483 of BNSS 2023 has been filed by, who filed this application? Who is this? The petitioner?
Petitioner is Lordship. Manju Pegu Gogoi.
The filed by the petitioner, praying for release of the accused, Mintu Gogoi, on bail, who has been arrested in connection with ITA PS case number 160/2024 under section 303 BNS. Stop. Call for the trial court record. Issue notice. Since Mr. Loy, Lana PP appear and appear on behalf of the state, no formal notice needed to list this matter.
On 25, Lordship.
On
Lordship,
25.
Monday.
Okay.
Monday.
25.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Play.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Yeah.
1/8 of 2025. An application filed under section 483 of BNSS 2023 to release the alleged accused persons, Atul Ten. Your Honor, person was arrested on 25/8/2025 in connection with ITA WPS case number 58/25. Your Honor, this is
What is 64? What is 351?
criminal indictment. Actually, Your Honor, this is successive bail application. Successive bail application.
Subsequent bail application.
Yes. Has been filed, been rejected by the application on District and Session Judge UPA on dated 5/9/2025. The complainant
When
has
when
not
it was rejected?
5/9/2025.
5/9.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Huh? If,
Lordship, that bail application was rejected only because that the victim statement was not recorded on that time. But I think on 12,
victim statement by
statement was not recorded by the JMFC UPA, Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate First Class.
164.
164.
180.
180 corresponding.
182.
Okay, how long he has been inside?
Your Honor, 25 days as of today. 25 days.
Only 25 days.
Yes.
My lord, without taking much time, your lordship, this is regular bail in the motion stage, my lord. So record may, CD may be called for, yes.
Still under investigation.
Yes, your lordship.
We'll call for CD then.
Your Lordship, matter may be fixed on 22nd of this month.
25th, my lord.
Miss
El Niri, Lipi Niri.
El Niri, Land Council for the petitioner. Also had Mr. P8, Land additional PP. Start. This is an application file under section 483 of BNS, praying for release of the accused who has been arrested in connection with ETA WPS case number 58/2025 under section 64(1)/351(3) BNS 2023. Stop. Call for the necessary issue notice since Ms. Ete, Land Additional PP, accept notice on behalf of the state, appear and accept notice on behalf of the state, no formal notice may be issued. Stop. The petitioner shall take step for notice upon the respondent number.
My lord, I will clarify one thing, my lord.
Oh, sorry, just a minute.
My lord, here the allegation is for rape, and your lordship.
This is not the POXO,
not a POXO case.
not
and
necessary.
yes, even for gang rape, your lordship is required, but this is not fall under that category, under 439 subsection 1A.
But they have implemented why?
Yes, they have to actually strike it, strike it out, your lordship. Not required, my lord.
Okay, Miss Lipi. Land Council for the petitioner, submits that since the presence of the victim for the purpose of disposal of bail is not necessary, and the presence of respondent number 2 is not necessary for the purpose of disposal of this bail application. Her name may be struck off from the post, the array of struck off from the post title. Okay. Of the in view of the above and some name of the respondent number 2 is struck off like from the array as the respondent party. Okay.
It will be on 25th, my lord.
Okay. List this matter again on 25th.
25th, my lord. Scan copy, my lord. CD.
Scan copy. I call for the scan copy of the case diary.
Deeply obliged.
Matter number 3.
Here also, my lord, the CD may be called for its.
What is the
Tape, my lord.
you have? Okay.
379.
You applied bail earlier.
Yes, this is
It was
in fact, my lord, successive application, my lord. No, my lord, UPA, my lord.
Charge is
Landed
filed.
session court, my lord.
Charge is filed.
No, my lord, search is not filed.
So then it's
Your Lordship,
is that
actually,
to be called for?
yes, it need to be clarified, Your Lordship. If the somebody is coming directly after rejection from the session court, that cannot be a successive for the High Court, my lord.
That cannot be successful.
Yes, Your Lord. It will be a fresh consideration.
We only say that it was was rejected by the
Session court, yes, Your Lordship.
or
It is praised
trial
before
court
the
or
High.
session court. 'The allegation is
379, my lord.
379, my lord.
how long you have been inside?
As of now, my lord, I have been in custody for 40 days, my lord.
40 days. Trial is, is still under investigation stage.
Yes, my lord.
On 22, my lord,
Similar
year of
order.
2022,
Name
FIR was
change.
registered. Recently, he was arrested.
Mr.
M. Doji, my lord.
Hmm?
M. Doji, my lord.
Sorry, M. Doji. Only that will change. And then PS case number, well, petition of PS case number. Chimpu, this is Chimpu PS case number 64, 2022,
Yes.
under section 379.
Yes.
Okay, this is all case.
All case, he was recently arrested, my lord. Registered long time back, but recently arrested.
Okay. Yes, yes. 34, 379, 34, IPC. Okay, call for the scan copy, of
Yes,
the
Your
trial court. Issue notice, same, Then, Mr. Accepted, Release this matter,
25th, my lord.
25th, yes, on 25th. Okay.
Obliged.
Matter number 4.
May I please, my lord?
Yeah.
My lord, here the fact of the case is that, my lord, petitioners are challenging the impugn notification dated 7/8/2025, lordship. The fact of the case is that just before I lordship to take impugn order, I'll just brief the fact of the case, lordship. Fact of the case is that one of the petitioners, they are having society registration under Society Registration Act 1860, which extended the state of Arunachal Pradesh 1978. And they are the independent body and having the legal entity. So completion of their tenure, 4 years tenure, my lord, 4 years tenure, and they have conducted elections on 5/7/25 by appointing 3 selection members as per their bylaws, Article 30, Article 13, my lord. So after election process was conducted. So one of the candidate which she was deprived and she was rejected as a candidature of General Secretary in the post of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. As because her application was incomplete application, she was not enclosed any document and she was unsigned and was submitted. So because of that, her application was rejected. So thereafter, selection was done already on 5/7/25, and thereafter she has launched complaint before the Arunachal Pradesh Olympic Associations that election was not fairly conducted. That is the fact of the case, lordship. So my lord, I'll just take to lordship page number, my lord, page number 20 is the impugn notification, my lord.
So your parent organization is Arunachal Olympic Association.
Yes, my lord, we are separate by separate constitutions, and they have a separate bylaw, separate constitution, and there is no any such provision that Arunachal Olympic Association has controlled the Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations. So Arunachal
So
Bodybuilding
that means the Arunachal Olympic Association, according to you, has no power and jurisdiction to interfere.
Yes, my lord. They have no any power to interfere the jurisdiction of the Bodybuilding Association, my lord. There are separate bylaws and separate entities, my lord. So thereafter, complaint being launched by the respondent number 3, the respondent 1 and 2 has passed the impugn notification, my lord.
Agreed by your
So
order. Where supposing where do the person
My lord, see, if suppose
any
yes, my lord,
order.
if suppose that candidate, the respondent number 3 here in my lord, if she deprived of the candidature, she can challenge before the appeal before the filing title suit before the Learned Civil Judge Senior Division as per jurisdiction, my lord. Because she is claiming the post of General Secretary, my lord. If her candidature was rejected by the election selection committee, so she may file before the
So
civil court.
So that means, according to you, Arunachal Olympic Association is nothing to do with your.
Yes, my lord. They have nothing to do with the Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations.
Not mentioned in the any.
Yes, nowhere mentioned. If my lord, in their impugn notification, they have mentioned some articles, which article is nowhere connected with the incident case.
bylaws.
Yes, my lord.
Let us see.
My lord, page number 21, just I read out the operative portion. Just page number 22, my lord. I, engineer so and so, President, Arunachal Olympic Association, under the provision of Rule 15.1.5. Here, Rule 115.1.5 of Arunachal Olympic Association as amended up to 17 July 25. The ad hoc committee is hereby constituted to review the constitution of ABBA means my lord, Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations. In align with the National Sports Federation, inviting the concerned parties and conduct the election of above appraised by maintaining high dignity of transparency and accountability through special general body meeting of annual general body meeting, inviting from the National Federation within 3 months and submit the report to this office as well as to the National Federation. The committee will also oversee the conduct of the proper election or selection process for the new executive members of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association in accordance with the association's bylaws. So, my lord, as per their rules,
Where do we find it? 1.5?
lordship,
This is constitution of
Yeah, this is
Arunachal
their-
bodybuilding.
bylaws, I'm just providing lordship. Lordship, I have plagued that bylaw, particular rules number, my lord. 15.1, I'll read out, my lord. I'll just plague, insert plague. 15.1.5. President of Arunachal AO means Arunachal Olympic Associations may propose the formation of various AOI commissions or committee and the members of those committees and commissions subject to rectification by the executive councils and or the general meeting. So, my lord, this is their internal affairs, my lord. These rules and regulations might be. So, it cannot be implemented upon the Arunachal Bodybuilding Association, my lord. So, my lord, because of their impugn notification, now we are being restrained to conduct any kind of activities in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Since we have upcoming event as like Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations going to conduct.
Where in the Arunachal Olympic Association, have they mentioned anywhere that you are the branch or of the Arunachal?
Nowhere,
Olympic
my lord, it is mentioned. Earlier, my lord, since 2000 till 2023, we will associated with Olympic Associations. Thereafter, we could not renew with the Arunachal Olympic Association.
Come to page 23,
Yes, my lord.
Article 2,
Yes,
organization.
yes.
The association is a member of the Arunachal Olympic Association. What is this?
My lord, that was thereby. So thereafter, we were supposed to associate with the Olympic associations, and we have to pay fees of rupees 15,000 for annually, my lord. So we have up to 2023, we were the associate with the Arunachal Olympic Association. Thereafter, we could not renew that association with the Olympic Association. So, lordship may come.
As per this your article,
Yes,
the
my lord.
association is a member of the Arunachal Olympic Association.
That
Because
is
that is the-
that is
That
there,
is
my lord.
the parent body, and you are the member only.
That is there, my lord. But in connection to conduct a selection of election of the Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations. So Arunachal Olympic has no any roles and no any there is no any provision for interfere the selection of the members, my lord. Members of the executive members of the Arunachal Bodybuilding
If
Association.
you are the member, then if
Selection or election, my lord, we have a own bylaws, my lord. That is Article 13, my lord. So I have enclosed Article 13, my lord. In my petition, my lord, Article 13, page number 27, my lord. Article 13 is clearly said that we have to select the commissions of new executive members. Page number 27, my lord. Article 13, my lord. Lordship, I'll just read out the Article 13, page 27. Article 13, selection and tenure of the office bearers. There shall be a selection commission of the association as under the selection commission shall be headed by the presiding officer and to select the executive members of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. And number 2, the selection commission will be constituted independently by the incumbent president of ABBA as the head of the associations. 3, selection commission shall be the autonomous body in order to select the new executive members of the association for the term of 4 years tenure. 4, the outgoing president of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association shall be the ex officio members and advisor of the associations. 5, selection commission headed by presiding officer shall be notified or announce the selected new executive members of the AVA in presence of the general body, forthwith followed by handling and taking over of the church. 6, my lord, the venue of the election to the new executive members of AVA shall be notified by the president at the time after expiry of the tenure. This is the process. So based on this article, my lord, outgoing president has appointed 3 members, my lord. 3 members selection committee. Lordship may come to page number. Page number, my lord, page number 36, my lord. Page number 36, my lord. This is annexure. Annexure 4. Notification. May I just read out, Lordship? Exercise of the power conferred upon the president of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association by article number 13 of the AVA Constitution and recommendation of the 21 June 25 extended executive body meeting. I, Sri So-and-so, President Arunachal Bodybuilding Association, do hereby appoint the following members as selection commission to the select the executive members of AVA for the session 2025 to 29, my lord. So they have selected 3 members, 1 presiding officer and 2 members, my lord. So accordingly, these 3 members has conducted the issued notification again, that is page number 37, my lord. They have issued notifications to invite the interested candidates, my lord, for the post of general secretary, post of president, general secretary, some key other key posts, my lord. So that is page number 37, my lord. So they clearly that and then venue was clearly mentioned in their notification by the presiding officer as a selection commission, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, interested candidate has submitted their applications on in the post of president, general secretary. General secretary, there was 2 candidates were submitted their applications. So one has been selected, then other has feeling deprived, and she has launched complaint before the Olympic Association. So her application rejected on ground that lordship, she was not put signature on her application. That is page number 43 and 44, my lord. My lord may come to page number 43 and 44 is the where she has to put her signature and her name is there. But she was unsigned, she was submitted unsigned application and also not enclosed any required document, my lord. So thereafter, her application was rejected by the selection committee. So accordingly, she has launched complaint before the Arunachal Olympic Association on dated 14 July 25, my lord. Page number 46 is her complaint, my lord. So she alleged that election was not fairly conducted. In fact, election was fairly conducted. Transparency manner election was conducted. And because of her incomplete applications, her application was rejected, my lord. So accordingly, she launched complaint before the Olympic Association. Olympic Association has again passed this impugn notification, my lord. So our new tenure has been restrained because of that notification, my lord.
Okay.
So my prayer, my lord, notice may be issued, and in the meantime, my lord, impugn may be state, and my lord, because we have to conduct state level bodybuilding association and not east level bodybuilding association within.
They have already ad hoc committee members appointed, three
Yes, my lord, but,
person.
my lord, there is
All
no,
concerned parties are requested to extend their full cooperation till recognized state body of ABBA is come up. No parties will carry out the activities
yes,
in
my lord,
the name
that
of
is the-
ABBA.
they are-
However,
yes.
ad hoc committee will take of the athlete in any tournament. Ad hoc committee. They've already appointed ad hoc committee.
Lordship, my challenge is that since
The ad hoc
Olympic-
committee is functioning now.
no, they are not functioning, my lord.
No,
Now-
see, this was issued on 7/8 with that.
Because of this notification, my lord, there is no any functions from the side of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association.
They are supposed to function this
And my lord-
through this ad hoc committee.
My lord, our challenge is that since
Okay, what we'll do is, as we do not know, we'll issue notice. Comment.
my lord, till then this impugn notification may be stayed, my lord. Till it
Mr.
enables it,
Verma.
my lord.
Then counsel for the petitioner. the grievance of the petitioner is directed against the order, sorry, notification dated 7/8/2025, issued by the President, Arunachal Olympic Association, whereby where is the operative portion of this notification?
My lord, page number, my lord, page number 21. All concerned parties are hereby required to extend, to ensure that the election process required out in a clear and transparent manner under supervision of above committee and strict compliance with the guidelines of IBBF and government norms and rules. Till recognized of body of ABA is come up, no parties will carry out. This is, my lord, this has to be operative portion because they have restrained us to carry out the
Which one? All concerned.
last paragraph, note, my lord. Till recognized state body of ABA is come up, no parties will carry
No,
out.
first of all, what is the effective with regards to the election? Effective order
Yes,
of the impugn order.
my lord, because of this may be, my lord, assume as an impugn notification or order, my lord. Because they have declared our election as a null and void.
Where is that?
And directed to conduct a fresh election, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord, just page number 21, my lord, just first para, my lord, second para. I, engineer so and so, president so and so, under provision of rule 15.1.5 of
Whereby
my lord. Sorry, my lord.
the committee is not to be.
Ad hoc committee is hereby constituted to review the constitution. Our constitution has to be reviewed and then with the national sport, inviting the concerned parties and conduct the election of ABA, my lord. This is the order of the Olympic Association respondent, my lord. So they have directed us to reconduct our election. Since our election was conducted transparency and fairly, my lord.
Where
Election of
it
ABA
says that,
appraise-
where it says that your election conducted by you has been declared null and void. Where is that?
My lord, null and void, exact meaning what is not mentioned, my lord, but they have directed to conduct a fresh election.
Whereby it is directed.
Conduct the election of above appraised by maintaining high dignity of the
Conduct.
transparency and accountability.
Conduct the election of our Bodybuilding Association afresh by maintaining afresh by afresh through a special general body meeting or annual general meeting within bracket SGM stroke AGM bracket close, inviting observers from the National Federation within 3 months and submit reports to the said office as well as to the National Federation. Now, whereby, before that, while constituting ad hoc committee to review the constitution of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association in align with the National Sports Federation within bracket Indian Bodybuilder Federation bracket close. and to conduct that, connect that, and to conduct election of Arunachal, Aba FRS, connect that, okay? The and in the meantime, until recognize state body of Arunachal bodybuilding as bodybuilding
Yes, my lord, Arunachal Bodybuilding
association within bracket ABBA is comes up, comma, no parties will carry out and activities, any activities in the name of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. And such activities will be taken care of by the ad hoc committee and the ad hoc committee will take care of the participation of athletes in any tournament of stuff. Para. The petitioner contains that the Arunachal Olympic Association the Arunachal Bodybuilding Association is, where have you stated that you are independent? And then nothing to do with the, where have you stated?
My lord, exactly that article right now, I have no contact with.
Building association has a separate legal entity
However, my lord, we have registered, we have
and governed by its own constitution, stroke bylaws. Separate and independent legal, independent and separate legal entity. Okay. And the Arunachal Olympic Association does not have power and jurisdiction to interfere and invalidate the constitution stroke bylaws of Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. The petitioner also prays for interim order for stay of the impugn notification. Staff. Upon having heard the parties, having heard the land counsel for the petitioner, and upon perusal, this court is of the opinion that the matter requires further consideration. Staff. Para. Issue notice. Returnable by
my lord, after 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. Staff. The petitioner shall take steps for notice, causing of notice upon the respondent by a registered post with AD as well as by usual process within a week from today. List is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. In the meantime, the respondent may file their response. Stop. The para. List. Have I said list is matter after 3 weeks? Okay. The interim prayer shall be on appearance of the parties. Okay.
My lord, till returnable
Let
date.
them, because if they have nothing, then
Also-
you will be.
Also
Because now we do not know, because your constitution itself, as I have pointed out, your constitution itself says that you are part of this Olympic Association.
My lord, that was subject to affiliation renewal
Now-
of affiliation. my
Now
lord.
we
So,
do not know, but then your constitution itself says
Lordship, I'll
the
just.
member of the Arunachal Olympic, the association is a member of the Olympic Association.
My lord,
It
just
appears that
I-
he
my
has
lord,
a.
just, Lordship, just I, page number 56, my lord. This is affiliation certificate which issued to us by the Olympic Association, my lord. Page number 56, my lord. So this was only up to 2023, my lord. So thereafter,
Maybe that is why on that day it will be clarified. If you are nothing, if they are nothing to do with you, you will be saved. You have a case.
so my lord, because of this notification, now we cannot carry out.
Now, under
because
circumstances,
Some
since
athletes, they are.
page 23, see Article 2. Under circumstances, it cannot be.
My lord, in coming months, some events are there, so we cannot,
See, the Olympic Association, the bigger association has says that this three members committee, they'll look after, this ad hoc committee will take care of the participation of the athletes in any
my
tournament.
lord, now.
And then you have also in your letter probably accepted these three members are unquestionably they are experienced and they will manage. You have also admitted.
My lord, my continuation, my lord, because the notification itself is illegal because.
No, then see, now we do not know because it was passed way back in August. Now we do not know what step they have already taken.
Returnable
That is,
date,
no, then it will create confusion rather. Because since 7/8/2025, this committee probably is managing. Now we do not know. Supposing if we pass stay order without hearing them, then if they have already taken some steps for sending some athletes outside during this period,
Now, athletes, my lord,
then
which they are
then
going to
you see that
represent the
will create
states
confusion.
and then
for
no
the-
Western
for
level.
the-
So,
It will adversely affect the.
my lord,
the-
returnable date, missionary Eastern, my lord. It's my humble prayer.
No. That is why I'm saying it will create confusion because it was passed way
My
back
lord,
in the.
in their
7th
reply
August.
after, their reply.
Now we are.
Returnable date, if there is, if ad hoc committees, they can over by this. So, if
No.
interim may be vacant, my lord.
No, then only
My
the
lord, because
interim.
of this, interim
no.
notification, so we are not carrying
No,
out
just
any kind of.
listen to me. Thereafter, when we come, well, if you can prove that no, these are being taken care of by the bodybuilding association only, not by the Olympic Association. Then stay, and the entire matter can also be disposed of.
But my lord,
Yes.